What's good, man? Euro, aka Sticky. In the weight room right now, finna get it in, man. University of St. Francis. Got all the equipment you need, man. Stayed down here for the summer, you know, get better, work on my game, so I can be better for next year. You know, got people out here hating for no reason on your boy, but it's all good. You know, they only hate because they see people getting better, you know, they see me getting better, and I guess they don't see themselves getting better. I mean, but if you don't work at it, you're not going to get better. That's a simple point. So I'm making this video to tell everybody who out there hating to work on yourself, man. Don't worry about another man. And the people that's going hard, keep going hard. No matter what nobody say, you got to do your thing, because in the end, you know, things don't remain the same. People gonna hate you for being yourself, so don't try to change who you are for nobody. All right, I'm out.